I turned a regular apartment into a smart home, with a Raspberry Pi over a weekend. No cloud fees, no lock-ins, and it cost less than a fancy smart speaker. Here's the hook. One tiny computer, total control. Light sensors, cameras, energy tracking. The lot. Gear first. Raspberry Pi, 4 or 5, 32GB micro SD, a decent USB-C power supply, Ethernet Wi-Fi. Zigbee USB dongle, Matter, Thread, USB dongle if you want battery sensors and bulbs. Optional. Smart relay for lamps, PIR motion sensor, contact sensor, smart plug with energy monitoring. I flashed Home Assistant OS to the SD card, slotted it into the Pi and booted. On my browser, I ran the onboarding set, a strong password, let it detect my network gear. For devices that don't talk directly, I added the Zigbee integration paired sensors in seconds. For custom flows, I installed Node-RED. Drag, drop, automate. Then the fun part, automations. Walk into the hallway after sunset. Motion turns on a warm light, then fades out after 2 minutes. Front door opens between 6 to 8 p.m. Cue your I'm home scene. Lights on, fan at 40%, Lofi playlist on the speaker. Smart plug tracks my PC's power draw. If it spikes late at night, I get a nudge to wrap up. Camera snapshots only when I'm away, saved locally. Results? Snappy control, 0 monthly fees, and it runs even if the internet drops. I cut lighting energy by around 20%, sleep better. With gentle dimming, everything lives on my terms. Private and fast. Want the blueprint? Start with a Pi, Home Assistant, and one sensor. Build one automation that makes you smile. That's how a house becomes your home.